Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, DIY Hooked on Custom Crafts. In this video we're going to demonstrate how to use different things that you can put in a domino. Let's see here. So first of all, we have some fine glitter, and you know a girl's got to have her glitter. And then we have these glass beads, and then we have the black and gold mica powders. So what we're going to do is we're going to make some dominoes, and then at the end maybe you all can leave in comments which ones you like best. So without further ado, let's start crafting. And again, thank you for joining me. Okay, here we go. So I'm mixing the black mica powders, the gold mica powders together. I've already pre-mixed my resin. So we're putting the resin, mixing the resin and the mica powders together. Oh, they look so nice, so smooth. Then we're going to take and pour those in the mold. And by the way, I use the amazing clear cast resin. That's the type of resin I'm using. And I'll put that in the description below. And next we're going to go ahead and put the gold beads in. We're putting the black beads in. We're going to mix those all together. I made it a little chunky because I wanted it to be a little opaque rather than being able to see through them. So that's why I put so many in there. But it filled up the mold, so we're good to go. And next we're going to go ahead and mix those two together, and we're going to make a mold out of it. We're going to put those in the mold. And I'm hoping that these turn out really, really great. So now you can see I'm mixing the fine glitter, the black glitter and the gold glitter. We're going to go ahead and pour those in the mold. And since we have some more glitter in both containers, we're going to go ahead and mix those up and make another domino mold with those two glitters together. Okay, they're all mixed up. Well, and everything is looking really, really great. So we're going to put a little heat on those. And wow, that looks really great. That's the glitter. There you have the glass. Looks really nice. Then you're coming down. That is the glass mix. That's the glitter mix. And then last, we have the mica powders. Okay, so we'll let these cure for about 12 hours. We'll come back and we will unmold. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching. Hi guys, so let's go ahead and see what they look like here. So first of all, we're going to do the glitter. These are the glitter. We use the fine black and gold glitter. And those turned out pretty good, right? Right. Then here we took the glass beads, black and gold, and I think those turned out okay. Here we have the mica powders, nice and smooth finish. Here we have the glass beads, the black and the gold. And it looks like the black, because I put a lot of beads there, those glass beads, it turned out looking solid, but the gold looks really, really good. And last but not least, I think this was the black and gold glitter that was left over, and we mixed those up together too. So that mix looks pretty good. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and color in some dots, put some stripes on it, and get your feedback on what you think that you like best. So we'll be looking forward to hearing your results. Thank you. Hi guys, and welcome back. And they turned out really, really great. Look at there. So let's start off with this one here. That's the mica powder. This is the beads. Here's the glitter. Here's the bead mix. And here's the glitter mix. So I hope you enjoyed these different type of things we put in the resin to make these beautiful, beautiful molds of dominoes. And please remember, let me know what your favorite is. And again, thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video.